In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to recover your Minecraft account if you only remember your username. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, you will need to contact Minecraft through the customer support at the Help Center to fill out all your contact information and the issue that you are having. You can find this page by looking for Minecraft Contact Us on Google and accessing the second page from help.minecraft.net Request New Contact Us. As you can see in this page, like I said, you have to fill out your contact information and the issue that you are having. As you can also see by this article, this is the suggested way to recover your password if you only know the username attached to your account. So, in this page, what you have to do individually is select your language, which platform you play Minecraft on, the category, which should be account support, and then select the subject, which it is either sign-in questions or change account information. Afterwards, you have to include contact information. As you can see here, you will have to include an email address, and this doesn't have to be the one attributed to the Minecraft account specifically that you're trying to log in now. Just include an email through which Mojang can contact you, and afterwards they will be able to help as long as all the information you provided is valid and legit. Afterwards, you can even attach a picture if needed and submit the form. They will contact you through the email you input, and you will be able to recover your account if all the information is correct. I hope I was able to help you on how to recover your Minecraft account with only username. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.